Hello viewers, it's again Amazon time. This is Anis from Ecomclips. Let's talk about the pros and cons of advertising on Amazon. It's a freedom of choice. Amazon PPC is a cost-effective as you only pay when a user clicks on your ad. You can decide how much you want to spend without budget restrictions. You get to choose how much to pay when a visitor clicks on your ad. Extra hidden costs are not involved. It's a relevant traffic. It's a huge advantage of using PPC is that it is useful in targeting the right traffic. You can choose your audience depending on location, language, relevancy, time, date, and device. Performance metrics. Amazon PPC campaign is device friendly as it allows your sponsored product link to display on Amazon apps on smartphones, mobiles, laptops, and tablets. So your PPC ads make it easier for sellers and buyers by showing relevant ads. It increases your organic ranking. This increases your sales. As your sales increase, your product will gradually move to the top organically. If your product is listed first due to both PPC and organic ranking, you will be able to increase your sales drastically and have higher profit margins. It's very customizable that allows you to make numbers of small modifications based on all metrics discussed earlier. Increase discoverability. Amazon PPC helps your new products get discovered since they won't immediately rank organically. Understanding the demerits is far more important than the advantages in any business. There are few disadvantages of Amazon PPC that you must know of. Time taking. One of the disadvantages of Amazon PPC is that it can sometimes be quite time consuming. Merely setting up a PPC campaign and leaving it isn't what you ought to do if you want it to be successful. A PPC campaign will need continuous optimizing and modifying based on the results it is getting. It involves budget risks. A wrongly structured PPC campaign can get you a huge loss of your resources. Even if you bid for a wrong keyword, you might end up losing hundreds of dollars. You pay per clicks, not sales. You will have to pay Amazon every time a customer clicks your ad, irrespective of whether the click has been converted to sales or not. This results in payment or ads that haven't become sales. Now, summing up the idea. Just like everything else, Amazon PPC has its pros and cons. However, Amazon PPC is a great tool to boost your business. To make your e-commerce experience awesome, Ecomclips is always there for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Ecomclips. Thank you.